On Etsy, you will see some nice ideas of planners with hyperlinks that can make your life easier. Now I'm going to show you how you can download and import those PDF planners with hyperlinks inside Goodnotes from Etsy. Whenever you buy a planner from my shop, you will see there are a few versions of that planner available to download. You can choose between having a Monday start or a Sunday start calendar, and also between having a daily page with simple lined layout or having a daily page with a 30-minute schedule. I choose to have a Monday calendar planner with a daily schedule with 30 minutes hourly slots. That's the first option. Click download, tap the share icon and save the file to Dropbox or on my iPad. I'm going to save it to Dropbox because that's where my files are, but you can save it to your iPad if it's easier for you. Save. And now you have it. Before I go and import that planner in Goodnotes, I want to show you that there is one other way to quickly send this planner to Goodnotes. Open in Goodnotes, open. The location is documents, videos, yes, it's good. Import as a new document. Okay, I think it downloaded successfully. I had no errors so far. It doesn't always work. You might want to try 2 or 3 times if you choose this option. And there you have it. This is my planner with hyperlinks. Before I show you the hyperlinks, let me also import the planner from Dropbox. Tap New, Import. Let's go to Dropbox and then Videos. And this is the planner with hyperlinks. Okay, so I just got an error. So I'm going to try again. Okay, it did work, okay? And here it is. This is the new planner with hyperlinks. And now since we are inside the planner, I'm going to show you how to use the hyperlinks. So first of all, click the links from the right side of the screen. It does take a bit of a delay until it processes all the pages and the links, but here you are. The links are working, so you can access every single monthly page or weekly page or daily page. Apart from the navigation from the right side, you also have a navigation here on the top side. Let me go to a day. You see there is a top navigation here, and you can access the money section, the birthdays, the habits tracking for the month, the fitness tracking for the month, and then you can go to weekly, daily, the daily journaling, and the daily meeting pages. I'm going to create a video with more details about the links inside the planner and how to use the planner, but that's how a planner with hyperlinks works. To click on the hyperlinks, make sure you are in the viewing mode. I am in the viewing mode now, so if I want to write something here, I will need to tap the pen and be in the editing mode. And I'm going to take the pen, write something here, but I can't use the links, so I'm going to have to tap the pen again in order to use the hyperlink.